So hey guys, today we'll learn how to fix Excel is not opening in your Windows 11, your Windows 10. Doesn't matter which operating system you are using in your laptop, your MacBook. So guys, if your Excel file is not opening, then how you fix? So that's guys, it's very simple fix. Just try to open Excel. Just go to Excel here. Yeah, as you can see. Now guys, from here, just go to file section left. You can just see. Now from file section, you can just try to find option. You can see the left pen. Just hit on that. And now guys, after that, you can just you can see that go to trust center. Just hit on that. And after that, you can just come to right side. Just hit trust center settings. And after that, guys, just go to the product view, as you can see over here. And now, guys, from here, you can just uncheck all three. Enable protected view, enable protected view for files, and enable protected view for this. So must and should be unchecked all three, and after that you can go and hit on OK, guys. So this is the fix, guys. So that's all, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.